Hi.
Hey.
Hey.
Tomato.
Really? Your face is filthy. Why are you so filthy? Is that from your sandwich and yogurt?
The bottom up.
Yeah. Mom? What's my name? Mom? What are you doing?
I want to go out.
Really? Oh, no kick. No kick. Are you trying to swat the light away? Say hi. Say bye.
But,
Bye.
but,
Bye.
but.
Ow, stop kicking. I'm trying to talk to you. Ryder, where's your head? Where are your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your ears? Where's your mouth? Where's your eyes? That's your ears. Eyes. Where's your eyes? Yeah, in the back of your... Well, sometimes I think they're in the back of your head. Where are your boobs? Good job. Where's your hands? Where's your hands? Why do you look so terrified? Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye!